Humva is a seriously impressive tool for anyone looking to build high-quality videos
using AI.
If you've followed my channel for a while, you know that I've reviewed a number of different platforms and tools, especially within the video editing field. There are a bunch of useful tools that help you create artificial avatars, and usually those avatars are okay. However, there is at least one tool on the market right now that makes a big difference. This platform, this set of tools is called Humva AI, and unlike other similar platforms, this one is all about AI avatars. This one is all about the highest quality. Humva launched in January 2025 and has already secured the #1 product of the day title on Product Hunt. Users appreciate Humva's user-friendly interface and the ability to personalize avatars by selecting filters that include age, gender, appearance, and I love testing new tools. In this video, we are going to put Humva to the test. Let's see if it's really the #1 AI avatar tool on the market. If you want to follow my steps and play around with this platform, feel free to find the link in the description. There is a free plan available. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dive deep. What I love about this tool is that it's super minimalist. You don't have to browse through a complex navigation. It's just that homepage with publicly available avatars, create avatar button, a simple minimalist sidebar with the avatar library, and my projects. That's it. I'm going to quickly put my headphones on. And let's begin by clicking on avatars and checking out the options.
Lights, camera, action. Step into a world where every frame tells a story.
Nice.
Lights, camera, action. Step into a world where every frame tells a story.
Enter a digital dimension where the impossible becomes reality.
What I noticed right away is the special, unique formatting. Just take a look at it. Your character is in the middle. The lighting and the background are almost perfect, and you still get this cartoonish feel. But you can't deny the style. Each avatar is perfectly centered with a background that complements them without stealing the spotlight. The lighting and colors feel intentional and cinematic. It almost feels like whoever created this platform is a filmmaker at heart. I noticed that some avatars and their lip movements look very close to those of real humans. This would be one example.
The world is your canvas. Why limit your creativity? With green screen magic, you can step into any scene, tell any story, and bring your imagination to life.
I mean, sure, you can still notice a bit of an artificial element in this image, but overall, the quality is impressive. Just look at the lips.
Enter a digital dimension where the impossible becomes reality. Whether you're gaming, exploring, or connecting, the virtual world is yours to create, control, and enjoy.
The lip syncing is so good, it's so precise. And to make an avatar speak your text, you just have to copy and paste your script in the text field. Text is selected by default. Or you can use the audio section to record your voice, then click on export. Let me show you both options. This is my script. I'm going to click on export and let's see what's going to happen. Task successfully created. Video is being generated. The video is ready. Downloading. Let's play the video.
In this video of shark numbers, we're diving into the possibilities of Humva. This breakdown will give you a clear view of what makes Humva worth watching.
Let's do something more interesting right now. Instead of converting text to speech, let's just use a celebrity voice with one of our avatars.
This is insane. This is insane. I want to thank you guys for also putting on this event every year.
The most interesting part of my review is my avatar. Let's click on create avatar, and obviously I'm going to pick the second option, photo avatar. I'm using my own image.
Let's make this awesome together.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for.
I am going to upload my voice, setting up HTML, handling API calls, Ivan KV. Next. Generating. All right, let's wait for the final result. All right, let's take a look at it. I'm excited. Always excited to see what the artificial intelligence version of me looks like. Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen. Let's make this awesome together. This is pretty decent, pretty decent. And now, for the rest of the video, I will be using my own avatar along with a few of my so-called friends. Enjoy! Humva is a seriously impressive tool for anyone looking to build high-quality videos using AI.
What makes it stand out isn't just the speed. It's how naturally it brings your scripts to life with virtual characters that feel expressive, human, and believable.
From tone and pacing to subtle gestures, it's clear that a lot of thought went into making these avatars communicate like real people.
The interface is clean and easy to navigate, and everything from voice selection to background settings feels smooth and customizable.
Whether you're a solo creator, a startup building explainer videos, or a business creating internal training content, Humva lets you go from idea to final video in minutes, not hours or days.
It cuts out the need for cameras, mics, and even actors. All you need is your script and a few clicks.
You can even generate multilingual versions without re-recording anything. The quality you get is studio level, and the time you save is massive.
So, what are my thoughts on Humva? This is easily one of the smartest ways to produce videos with zero filming or editing experience. If you've been holding back from creating content, this might just be the tool that finally gets you going. All it takes is a script. Play around and test Humva for free, and if you decide to upgrade, this platform is pretty affordable. Just take a look at the prices. The standard plan is only $19 per month, so it's definitely way cheaper than hiring a voice actor. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, leave your comments in the comment section. I read each and every one of them. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.